If you're based in Australia or New Zealand and you're having problems opening up your Amazon account, now you're not alone, all right? It can sometimes be a very frustrating ordeal if you enter the incorrect details, you submit the first, when you're applying or getting verified on Amazon, it can be quite frustrating, all right? And what tends to happen sometimes is, Amazon replies back and you're not really getting anywhere, you feel like you're going around in circles. So if that's you right now, if you're needing help with verification, below this video, there's actually a link in our members area which explains a little bit more about what you can do. Right, but I'll give you some pointers right now. So if you're in a situation where you're trying to open up your account and you submit documents, number one is make sure when you first open your account, make sure that you actually send the correct documents. All right, make sure your names are correct, your addresses are correct. Make sure that when your credit card on file matches your utility bill, all that sort of stuff. Right, so that's got to make sure that the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. And the reason why is there's a software that goes through and scans, a bot that goes in there and scans all of that stuff, right? So it actually scans it. It's not a human being reviewing it, all right? They're not going to look at your middle name and go, oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense, right? It's a bot that does it, all right? So if something doesn't match up, then it's going to create a red flag. And that's kind of why you want to make sure everything matches, your utility bill, credit card, your addresses, all that sort of stuff, all right? Number two, if you do run into any troubles or any issues whatsoever, the first step is review all the information that you submitted before or prior to find out where you went wrong, all right? Because if you can identify where you went wrong, Amazon will ask you, hey, we just need your utility bill or we need something else, you can submit it to them. Now, if you don't know where that is, the next step is basically you can jump on and get Amazon to connect with you, all right? So there's actually on the page link below, there's a way to contact Amazon. There's many different ways to contact them. I've actually included a phone number there. So if you want to reach out for the Amazon US, you can actually dial a phone number. All right, in Australia, if you have an account, you can actually go into the help section, request a call back as well. Now, if none of that works, all right, so hopefully that would have been solved. Now, if you're still having issues with it, the next step is actually reach out to somebody who dedicates themselves into solving these problems. Now, that's not me, all right? I'm not the person that helps you set up and look at red tape and match all the names up. Like, I don't do that sort of stuff. There's people out there, that's their entire business that they do, and they're very cost effective and very cheap. So I encourage you to view the link below and reach out to those people because they'll be able to look at it and immediately go, okay, that's where you went wrong, all right? And it'll save you a whole bunch of time, effort, and frustration, all right? So check that out, all right? Make sure you look that link below this video and reach out to these people, okay? And I just wanted to mention that because starting as soon as your Amazon account's open, it's a sign of relief. You can start creating your listings. You can start doing whatever you want to do and start selling whatever you want to do. But if you're going through an issue right now where you're trying to open up an Australian Amazon account and trying to get account verified or maybe a US account, right? I can understand it can be frustrating sometimes. There is light at the end of the tunnel, but you do need to reach out, at least try all those avenues I mentioned, and worst case, reach out to the people that we suggest, all right? And there's quite a few other people out there. If you just Google them, they will come up where they can help you with your account verification. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now. Hey, this is what I'm going to promise you. We are running a live webinar. I would love to see you on the webinar. Here's what you're going to be learning on the webinar. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I would love for you to see those products. I'm also going to reveal some products that I've been involved in personally as well with selling these on Amazon, all right? So I'm going to reveal those products to you. And some of these products, very, again, light, small, profitable, things that you can brand and build your business around. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process to getting involved, getting your product listed on Amazon, and I'm also going to reveal strategies to actually getting started in the next 30 days. So I'd love to see you there. This is going to be a great training, and visit our website to find out more information on that. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.